June the 13th, 2020. Well, I got the engine in. Transmission's hooked up. I'm having a hard time hooking the damn C channel back up to the transmission. Lining up is a pain in the ass. This is a terrible design. What kept the engine from dropping on the motor mount over here was the clutch ball for the older style clutch pedal arrangement. This was hitting up against the firewall, not letting the motor come back on this side. Hitting up against the firewall down there, right about right here, and that was causing this motor mount to not slip into place. But motor's in, and once I get this transmission line back up with them damn holes, I can start doing some other stuff. But for now, I'm done. I'm fucking tired. I'm getting too old for this crawling around under the car shit. I need somebody to bless me with some dough for a really big garage with a goddamn lift, so a brother can work on his fucking feet. Peace.